super low price. It is washable. If anyone can use this, I will give you a very economical price, lower than our cost. Because this one is on promotion and we only have one piece in stock, so we will give you a super low price. Thank you. Let's see next one. Next one, I will introduce a main system. First, we can see the hair quality. This is European hair, very shiny. And the density is about 100%. Let's see inside. Inside is a V-loop. This is a V-loop. There is no nose at all. Let's see the hairline. Hairline is super invisible. See the base? The base is full skin. The thickness of the skin, it is medium thickness, medium skin. The thickness of the base is medium and very strong. You can see the thickness. Front is super thin, and it is soft. This one, the size of this one is 10 by 8. But we can also cut it to other size to make your head. We can cut it easily. And this one is also for promotion. We have many colors for choosing. Different hair color for choosing. Also other colors. Different color for choosing. And the thickness we also have different density and thickness for choosing. Please, if you need a man toupee, please let me know. We will give you a most economic choice. You can see. The hair quality is good. The base is soft. The knots are invisible. Invisible knot. Sorry, this is V-loop. There is no knots at all. It is very invisible. Do you like this one? We have different color and different density for choosing. Also, the thickness of the skin have different, have medium, super thin, and thinner. This one is on promotion. Please, if you like this one, please let me know. We will give you a big discount. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Now we will finish today's show. Bye bye everyone.